Y'all, this is a full crochet install with no leave out, and it turned out so cute. Let's get into how I got this look. I'm using 100% human crochet hair from HOTBRAIDS. I have one bundle of their 18-inch 3C4A exotic kinky coily hair, and for the color I have their natural black roots with honey blonde highlights. Here's my braiding pattern. I just have it kind of separated in half. I have the back braided down and then the front braided off to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and begin the install. And I love how easy crochet hair installs are. I pretty much just take a crochet hook and I put it underneath my braid. I latch on the crochet hair, pull the hair through the loop, and tighten it up around my braid. And it's one of those things where once you get used to it, you just fly right through it. So I just did that same process. And another thing I love about crochet is that it's very beginner friendly. As you can see, it's pretty easy to loop the hair in, and this part that I have in the back, because this is like nice big curly hair, it's gonna hide all of my imperfections with my braids and everything. So it's definitely easy and beginner friendly. When I got to the front, I just continued that same process, and then I'm going to catch back up with you guys when it's time to blend the part. get the illusion part and just make everything really blend in, I take pieces of hair that I've already crocheted in and I pull those over the top of the parted section. And this just really creates an illusion. It makes the hair start to look like it's growing right from your scalp because it begins to hide the part and the pieces that you've crocheted in previously. So I just take the old pieces, crochet them over the new pieces, and I just keep doing that until everything is nice and blended. Now I'm just defining the hair, and I'm just using some water in a spray bottle and some mousse. Again, this is 100% human hair, so it was really soft and easy to work with. And I love using crochet hair when I'm doing installs like this. To me, it's just so much more convenient and you have a lot more flexibility than just using a wig. After I finish wetting and defining the hair, I'm going to go in with some scissors and I just cut some layers and trim the hair just to make it look a little more natural. Alright y'all, and here's how the install turned out. I think that this is so cute. I love the color, I love the texture of the hair, and I love how it dried. I really like big hair, so I'm so pleased with how this style turned out. And again, this is 100% human crochet hair from HOTBRAIDS. I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, and can you believe I only used one bundle for this full look? So definitely check them out and try out crochet hair for your next look. I also did another style using this hair over on my TikTok, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.